Gas shocks on the rear struts have been replaced. Lift's easy. Interior carpet's been redone. Floor in here's been redone. Was cardboard from the factory or particle board, now it's a thin sheet of plywood. Rear trunk cover's in good shape for its age. Back seats, leather, good shape. Oh, it's locked, of course. Corbo seats. The pull shut sunshade is missing. Not sure, I've never had it. I'm sure they'd be pretty easy to find if you wanted one. I never really cared. We'll go look out there in a sec. Another piece for the front. Engine cover, coil pack cover. Floor mats are in great shape. Sparco wheel. Voltmeter, boost, AFR. Power mirrors and cruise control. Cruise control buttons on off here. Normally on the factory wheel, engage and disengage and accel, decel, or whatever would be here. So this doesn't work, obviously, without it. Did work when I took it out of there. I didn't hook the horn up either. I got the wheel on and ran out of time that day and never got back around to it, but this thing just comes out of here. And it needs these two wires hooked up with the rotating spindle to make contact so that you can spin the wheel and it still makes contact to hook the horn up. Should be pretty easy. Aftermarket Alpine radio, double din obviously, has Bluetooth, CarPlay. I'll show you here. Has the connection sticking out here. You can hook up whatever type of Bluetooth you want to it, obviously. This is just the Apple connector. You can hook up whatever you want to it though. Focal 6.5 components in the front and Kenwoods in the rear, 6x9s in the rear. Rockford Fosgate rear sub, and then it has an additional amplifier behind the head unit in the dash for the speakers. The sub has its own amp integrated into its setup. Glove box. Inside the glove box, you got a 10-pot boost controller. So this actually changes tunes from 10 locations. Obviously, all the way up is full power to the right. All the way to the left is the bottom of the tune, so bass map, and everything in between is, steps of 10. USB cable in here hooks you up for ECU control for tuning. It is on an AEM Infinity ECU, tuned for ethanol up to E85 and pump gas and anything in between. 5-speed, obviously. Cigarette lighter, cup holder in here. This is sub control for bass. I'll pop the hood too. Gas, trunk. Motor's in fantastic shape, been gone through. Brand new power steering pump, brand new alternator, downpipe's been replaced, obviously Force Performance there. New turbo, it's the FP green. has very few miles on it. Radiator's been replaced. All the piping for the intercooler was custom done. Blow-off valve. Radiator cap obviously been replaced. These are the ignition coils off of a Toyota Yaris. So it's been converted to coil on plug from Toyota. Much more reliable than the Mitsubishi stuff from the factory. Fuel pressure regulator and sensor. Upgraded injectors. I don't know if you can really even see anything in there.